how to rotate and document team maintenance tasks without relying on tools. Manual maintenance tasks are often handled by individual technicians, which can lead to lost procedural knowledge and missed updates. Without proper task rotation and documentation, teams risk operational inconsistency, missed maintenance steps, and technician burnout. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step 1. Define SOPs for maintenance tasks. A well-documented Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP, helps IT teams stay consistent, reduce errors, and save time. Create a standardized document or template for recurring maintenance tasks. Each SOP should include: clearly define the task and explain why it's performed. Outline clear, step-by-step instructions so any technician can complete the task, regardless of experience level. Let technicians know the estimated time to complete the task so they can plan and work efficiently. List the tools or utilities required so technicians can prepare in advance. Specify where technicians should log task completion details, scripts, screenshots, or maintenance results. Use checkboxes or template fields so technicians can easily confirm each step is completed. Step 2. Build a rotation schedule. When the same technician handles recurring maintenance tasks every week, burnout can increase while other team members miss opportunities to gain experience. Rotating responsibilities helps distribute workloads fairly and ensures consistent maintenance coverage. You can include: just like the first step, use this section to clearly state who is assigned to complete the task during each scheduled period. Here, you can list the tasks assigned to each technician. Make sure to set clear deadlines to avoid backlogs and keep tasks on schedule. Define how often responsibilities rotate to keep workloads balanced. You can do this weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Include a handoff checkpoint when transitioning responsibilities to prevent missed steps. Step 3. Assign ownership and conduct handoffs. Clear handoffs and strong documentation keep work consistent and help prevent repeated mistakes. To maintain accuracy and accountability, technicians should review and sign off on previous notes to understand the current status before starting. Follow the current SOP to ensure consistency. Document any issues, questions, or suggested improvements for future reference. Upload scripts, screenshots, logs, or task results to a shared documentation system for visibility and traceability. Step 4. Use PowerShell and GPO for task execution. This step helps technicians collect system data, generate compliance records, and apply policies with minimal effort. To do this, open PowerShell with administrator privileges. Enter the following code into the prompt. After the script runs, upload the generated CSV logs and group policy reports to your shared documentation repository. This shows the task was completed and keeps records for audits and future review. Rotating recurring maintenance tasks and maintaining accurate documentation helps MSP teams improve consistency, reduce operational risk, and prevent technician burnout. For more information, check out our official blog post on MSP task rotation linked in the description below.